Hello everybody. Today I am going to talk to you about success. I am sure many of you want to become successful in life. Hence I am going to give you all some tips about success. I shall begin by speaking about success with a beautiful quote. A great person once said, "Success has 1,000 fathers, failure is an orphan, nothing succeeds like success." In order to become successful, one has to always be thinking about success. Now, the first thing I would like to tell you about success to begin with is one must have an ambition. Without an ambition, it is like a ship without a rudder. The next thing I would like to talk to you about success is one must possess a very positive attitude in life. A positive attitude can make a person highly successful in life. The next thing I would like to tell you all where success is concerned is another important factor, and that is called courage. Without courage, we just can't do anything. So courage also can lead to success. Now that reminds me about a story related to success. Once a person went to Gautama Buddha and asked him the definition of success. Buddha didn't utter a single word. He just asked him to go by the riverside. He took him by the riverside, and as they went into the river, Buddha pushed his head into the water and was holding it. This person was struggling for a breath. Somehow he escaped and came up and asked Buddha, "I asked you the definition of success and you are trying to kill me." So Buddha said, "No. What is that you wanted most when you were underwater?" So the man said, "I wanted to breathe." So Buddha said, "Success is like this, your desire." Well, the next important point is decision making. Decision making plays a very important role in the success of a person's life. The right decision can lead you where you want, but at the same time, the wrong decision can be very detrimental where success is concerned. Here's the next point. The next point for success is focus. Focus plays a very, very important role in success. Now let's take an example of a lorry. A lorry with headlights has got its lights focused on the road. Imagine the lorry having lights this way. What would happen? You could imagine. The next point related to success is goals. We all need to have goals. Whether it is long-term goals or short-term goals or medium-range goals or lifetime goals, we must have goals. Otherwise, it is very difficult to become successful in life. At the same time, remember, a person without a goal will in all probability land up working for the person who has goals. Planning plays a very important role in one's success. Planning, when I say planning, it relates to our daily planning, our weekly planning, monthly planning, or quarterly planning, or it could be even life planning. We need to plan what to do and what not to do. There are in fact a lot of features that go into the success of a person, but I am giving you just the salient features so that you won't get confused. I am only making things simple for you to achieve success in life. They once asked a man, "What is the secret of your success?" This man said, "I have lot of secrets, but one such secret is the way I manage my time. Whenever I was called to a particular place, I ensured I went there quarter an hour early." So now you understand the importance of time management in one's success. Well, next what I would like to talk to you about is talent. All of us are highly talented. Unfortunately, many of us don't make use of our talents. Now the reason is why people don't know about their talents is they don't make use of them. Only if you make use of your talents, you'll know how talented you are. Hence, we all have to try out our talents. Only then we'll know how talented we are. As I close this session, I would like to tell you about a very important point which plays a role in one's success, and that is called friendship. There's a beautiful saying which says, "Tell me who your friends are and I'll tell you who you are." Hence, we have to be with the right persons, have the right friends. Only if you have the right friends, we can achieve what we desire. Now, the most important point in success is, can all of us become successful in life? According to me, yes, all of us can become successful in life. But the only thing is, many of us are not successful. The reason is because we do not program our minds to become successful in life. We all need to program our minds that we are going to be successful. Only then you can go on to the road to success. I have given you the points which I felt is relevant according to me. Perceptions vary. Your perception and my perceptions can vary. Now what I would like to tell you is, we all have to do our own introspection. A person once came and asked me, how do I become successful in life? The one thing which is holding me back from success is fear. Fear is haunting me like an evil spirit. So what I told this person is, first go and remove the fear and then come back to me. So far as this person is concerned, what holds him from success is fear. Now you may have certain factors which may holding you. It's time that you do an introspection. You can also follow the points which I have given you, the success is concerned. Thank you very much for viewing this video and also listening to me. I wish you all success in life.